Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Robinhood to Coinbase. So all you need to do is load up Robinhood and the application and then press on the plus sign in the button here as shown in the screen and then select connect portfolio. After you click on select portfolio, again click on select portfolio in the top here as shown in the screen, and then in the search bar type in Robinhood and then open Robinhood. Now it will ask you for your API key and everything. You can scroll down to read how to follow the steps to do this. So what you need to do is to log in to your Robinhood account, click on account in the top right corner and select settings. Under the crypto section, find API trading and select plus API key. Set a name for your key. In the API permissions pop-up, enable all read permissions. Make sure the place crypto orders permission is not enabled. Copy the public key from your generated key pair, which is Robinhood, and paste it into the public key field in Robinhood as shown in the screen, and then skip setting any allowed IPs or expiration date, confirm, and then copy your API key starting from RH API / and private key and paste them into the respective fields in the CoinStats app, and then click connect and enjoy. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.